Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Apple Intelligence not working in iPhone 17 Air Pro. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Now here click on Utilities folder. Now here click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down, click on General. Now here you will see second option is software update, so click on software update. So make sure your software update is latest iOS 26.01. So if it latest, so go back to home screen and refresh the phone, and you will check your problem is solved. So if it not solved, so click the power button and volume down button at the time, and power off the phone. After power off, restart the phone, enter phone passcode, and you will check your Apple Intelligence is working properly. So if it still not working, so click the Settings app. Now here go to General. Now here scroll down to and click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset all settings, enter phone passcode. So click on Reset all setting. It's just reset all setting, it's not remove your phone memory and data. So after the restarting, go back. So that's how you can fix Apple Intelligence not working in iPhone 17 Air Pro. Hope so you like the video. Thanks for watching.